Welcome to our channel Deep Learn Hub. Step-by-step guide on how to download and install WordPress on your Localhost. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems, and setting it up on your Localhost is the first step to building your dream website. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future web development tutorials. Let's get started with the first step. Downloading WordPress. The first thing you need to do is download WordPress. It's free and open source software that powers millions of websites worldwide. Go to the official WordPress website at wordpress.org. Once you're on the website, click on the website. You'll be directed to the download page. Choose the latest version of WordPress and click the download button. The installation package will start downloading to your computer. While WordPress is downloading, let's prepare your local environment. For this, you'll need a web server and a database. We recommend using a package like XAMPP. In our last video, we showed you how to prepare your Windows computer for web development by installing XAMPP. If you missed that video, you can find the link in the description below. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the WordPress installation package. Extract the contents of the package into your docs folder on XAMPP. Once you've installed XAMPP, start the Apache and MySQL services. These services will act as your web server and database server, respectively. Creating a database. Now, let's create a database for your WordPress site. Click to MySQL admin button. Or, open your web browser and type localhost/fpmeadmin into the address bar. Log in with your fpmeadmin dot. Click on Databases and create a new database. You can name it whatever you like, but make sure to remember it for the WordPress installation. Installing WordPress. With your database ready, it's time to install WordPress. Now, open your web browser and type localhost/your folder name into the address bar. Select your language, and you'll be taken to the WordPress setup wizard. Configuring WordPress. Fill in the required information, including your database news, username, root. Leave the database host as localhost. Click Submit and run the installation. A dashboard window open. Write your site title, username, password and email. Once the installation is complete, click Login to access your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed WordPress on your localhost. You're now ready to start building your website and exploring the endless possibilities that WordPress offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, we have more exciting web development tutorials coming your way, so subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!